Ooh, Booking.com has all types of flights.
Long flights, short flights.
After the tropics, do we dare? Ski shot!
This is 2TV. We apologize for the interruption during the ad breaks to bring you an emergency broadcast. Please stand by and remain calm. We have been getting reports of a series of unknown sightings happening around Comapest earlier this afternoon. Eyewitnesses say that they saw some people emitting strange and really random behavior, burning down nearby structures, and infecting many others. We don't know what it is, but scientists say they have never seen anything like it. More details will arrive shortly. Please stand by. We have received breaking news. It is confirmed that an infectious and strange virus has been spreading in Ngari known as the Fujitsu virus. This source of virus originated from Tokyo, Japan, when a tourist suffered symptoms of the virus, and was on board the plane and infected many passengers. Symptoms of the virus include nausea, weird speaking, breakdancing, continuous chanting of Fujitsu, speaking in a foreign language, melting, etc. If you are anywhere near the infected, please take shelter in a secure location. Lock all doors and barricade the windows to avoid the spread of the virus. 2 News Now will cover the latest information on the Fujitsu virus. Normal programming has been suspended until further notice. Hold on a minute. I forgot to lock the door.